Hi friends, today I am taking the topic 13 Windows operating system which coming under the unit 5. This topic is very important in UGC net. Let us start. This topic, these are the contain design principles, system components, terminal service and fast user switching, file system and networking. As a quick analyzing the previous question papers 2019 June and 2019 December, we found that design principles and file systems are there in 2019 December. So, we will see in detail. Next subtopic is design principles. എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാം. In design principles, executing which running the protected the model, mainly it is basic system service. The modular structures allow the additional environment subsystems to added without affected the executed, in which Linux is a multiple user multitasking system with a full set of the Unix compatible tools which mainly used to design a speed up and standardization. In reliability, Windows use a hardware protection for virtual memory and the software protection machine for operating system resources. In performance, the Windows subset can be communicated with one another by high performance measuring the passaging. This design for semantically multi-processing scaling on 100 of crores. In international supported, in which support a different locals, vice versa, national language supported. For example, NIS AP, which used for a unique code throughout to provide the facility for different for a date format and currency. Incompatibility, the application that follow in IEEE standard for the compile to run on the Windows without changing the source code, which application create a previous various of Windows running using the various virtual machine technique. In design principles, layers architectures are there, which kernel layer runs to protect it, the model and provides to access to the CPU by supporting by threads, interrupts. An executed run in the protected model above to the kernel layer and provide the basic system services. On the top, the executed in environment subsystems operated user model provided different OS ASP. The model structure allow the addition environment subsystem to adding without affected to the execution, which in written in C or C++. The platform dependent code is isolated in dynamic link library, which also called as hardware abstraction layers HAL. The subtopic is file system. എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാം. File system. In a file is a collection of related information that is recording on the secondary storage, which also collected a locally related entry. File is the smallest local secondary storage. There are the two type, file directories and file locations methods. We will see in detail. In file directories is a collection of file is a file directory in which the file including the attributes, locations and ownerships which give the information especially with the storage and managing the operating system. The directory itself a file access in a various file management routine such as name, type, address, current length, maximum length, owner ID, protection information, etc. In file directory, there are three types: single level directory, two level directory, and tree structures directory. We will see in detail. By seeing the block diagram, we will understanding that the single directory maintained all the users, where namely problem and grouply problems. In namely problems, where user cannot have same name for a two file, and in grouply problems is that the user cannot be group file according to their needed. The main disadvantages of a single level directory. Second level directory, in which it is separated the directory to the each user maintained, where path name two level their path name every file located the file. Now having a same file for a different user, it will be searched by the efficient in this method by searching it. Okay, next is tree structure directory. As seen the diagram, we can understand the tree. It is a tree type of structure. It maintained in the form of the tree, with searching as also a group capability and having absolute to relating to the path name of. Now we will see as file allocations methods. There are the three methods. First, continuous allocation. We will see. It is a single continuous set as seen the diagram. Located a file at a time of a file creation, in which pre-location straightly using the variable size protection. This method is a best for the point of a view individual sequentially file. Multiple blocks can be read at a time, improve the input and output performance by the sequential processing, but it is easy to relate it to the single block. The disadvantages of it, the external fragmentation will occur, making it difficult to find a continuous block of space sufficiently length. Algorithm will be necessary to free up the addition space on the disk. It also pre-location is necessary to declare in the size of the file at the time of the creation. Next type, linked allocation. It also known as non-continuous allocation. In this allocation, individual block base are decided. Block containing a pointer to the next block like a chain type. It is just like a single entry for each file, which showing the starting block and the length of the file. Pre-location is possible is a more commonly simply to locate the block as we need it. Okay, but the block need not be continuous. It can be break. So the main disadvantages of this, internal fragmentation exists a last disk block of file. It support only the sequential access of a file. If point of any disk block is lost, the file will be interrupted. Next type, indexed location. In index location, the problem to solve the two type of it. In this case, the file located table contains separated on one level index to each file. For example, the index of one entry, each block allocated to the file. The allocation by the block eliminates external fragmentation, whereas allocated by variable size blocks improve the locally. This location technique support in both sequentially also and directly access file also. Two most popular file allocation this which we are use. This is by the following by the approving by the free space management by two type, bit tables and free block list. In bit tables, in this method, what method is used to vector containing one bit for each block on the disk. Okay, if we enter from 0 is corresponding to free block and each one corresponding to the block of use. For example, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 this. It means that the particular block of 0 implies that its particular block is free and 1 implies that the block is already occupied. In free block list, in this method, each block are assigned by the number sequentially. The listed number by the free block. It maintained by the reversed block of a disk. From this, topic 13 Windows operating systems has completed. Thank you to listening. Have a nice day.